Hey guys, if you are having a problem with your camera where it is just a black screen, what you could try to do is just simply allow the camera permission. So to do that, first thing is just simply go to your settings into your device. Now, over here, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here apps. Tap on it. And now just simply try to find the camera application over here and tap on it. And now from here, just simply scroll down and go for the permissions. Now here on the permissions, as you can see, my camera application don't have a camera access. So just simply tap on the camera, tap on allow, and from here you should be able to fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't work, what you could try to do, just simply press the power button for around 5 seconds until you see something like this, and just simply tap on restart and just simply restart your phone in order for you to fix the issue. And that's simply about it. I hope these two solutions help you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.